There's a pattern forming in the markets right now that flashes right before a major reversal, but almost everyone ignores it. 90% of traders scroll past it, thinking it's just consolidation, while smart money quietly repositions. You've probably seen it 100 times, but never realized what it was signaling. Today, we're decoding how to spot a market reversal before it happens. The setup that separates retail confusion from pro-level precision. This is the Chain Catalyst, where we reveal the hidden moves that drive the market. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications bell, because these reversals don't announce themselves. 2. The fundamental catalyst. Why most traders miss it. Before we jump into the charts, you need to understand why reversals are so hard to catch. Most traders are glued to lagging indicators, RSI, MACD, moving averages, but they forget that markets don't reverse because of indicators. They reverse because of catalysts, policy shifts, liquidity changes, sentiment exhaustion. Every major reversal in history was preceded by a fundamental break, something that changed the underlying forces of supply and demand. But hidden in that chaos is a pattern that appears right before the market flips. The institutions know it. They use it to trap traders on the wrong side before reversing direction. The question is, can you spot it before they do? Let's pull up the chart. 3. Technical CLUE, the trick pattern. Look at this chart. The pattern looks deceptive, a strong move in one direction, followed by weakening momentum that fails to break key structure. It's what many call a distribution phase. But here's the trick most traders miss. This setup isn't random, it's a liquidity trap. The initial move sweeps stop losses and creates the illusion of continuation. Then the momentum dies, trapping traders who think the trend is still alive. But watch what happens next. Volume diverges, price forms a reversal candlestick at resistance, and suddenly, the market snaps in the opposite direction. This hesitation zone often marks the exact turning point where control shifts from bulls to bears, or vice versa. When you spot it near key levels, previous highs, round numbers, or Fibonacci zones, that's your clue that smart money just flipped the switch. 4. Market psychology. The trap everyone falls into. Here's where emotions take over. Retail traders see the momentum slowing and think, it's just a pullback, the trend will continue. So they buy the dip or sell the rip. Then they see confirmation bias everywhere, convinced they're right. In that moment, liquidity is created. Big players enter against those emotions. They're not trading what the chart looks like, they're trading what the crowd is feeling. That's why reversals work. They feed on overconfidence and pattern blindness. Markets don't move by luck. They move by manipulation and timing. And reversals are the ultimate trap for traders who refuse to see the warning signs. 5. The chain reaction. How to use it before it uses you now. Here's the real power of spotting reversals early. When you see this pattern at a key level, don't react, observe. Wait for confirmation. The moment price breaks structure with volume behind it, that's your trigger. It's not about guessing. It's about recognizing market intent. This reversal pattern has predicted countless turning points, from Bitcoin tops to Forex bottoms, yet it hides in plain sight every day. When fundamentals shift, technicals confirm, and psychology breaks, the chain reaction begins. And once it starts, there's no stopping it. When you learn to see it, you'll never look at charts the same way again. So tell me, have you ever noticed this reversal pattern forming before? Do you think it's coincidence? Or orchestrated by smart money? Drop your answer in the comments, reversal or continuation. And if you want more trading insights the rest of the world ignores, subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications bell, because here on the Chain Catalyst, we don't follow the market, we decode the catalysts that move it. New breakdowns drop every Monday, Wednesday, Friday and Sunday. See you in the next one.